Nasdaq Ghost Platinum EA version 2, created by Ratender Kumela, who has a massive following on social media for his softwares, notorious for being a world-class trader, entrepreneur, millionaire, which he claims to be profitable, even though you haven't seen him trade before. But clearly by his luxury lifestyle, he is a man of his word, and not that he makes his money selling his products than actually trading. But anyway, he has this bot that is more safer than version 1, with testimonials claiming to save people from a financial crisis.
Enough profits. I got this phone that I'm using for my trading, yeah? Like, you guys, I don't even know, like, why are you hesitating? You're busy out there with your mentor, busy trying to draw trend lines. Like, really, guys, why all the hustle?
I funded that account with 2,000, and then I traded it from 2,000 to 15k, and then I withdrew immediately.
That is not pal. Trust me, you're not that guy.
And the minimum money you need to trade with it is $35. Seeing it's from South Africa, that can be believable since it is worth much more. Okay, so with that amount, we will see how it does. So how do we install the bot? As always, pay attention so you can use it successfully. First step you do is cut the bot. Go to your MetaTrader 4 platform, go to File over here and click on Open Data Folder. Then click on MQL4 and finally place it on Expert Advisor. So now we have placed the trading bot to the platform. Now for the indicators. Take them and open the same MQL4 folder and put them in the indicator folder. Like that. Now finally we take this files as well. This is important for the bot to take trades. Open MQL4, go to the libraries folder and place it. We are finally done, so bear with me. Now all we have to do, open any of this pairs, but it works best on Nasdaq. Well, obviously. Click on open for the chart, and it even makes a sound when you load it.
Welcome to the Nasdaq Ghost Robot Platinum version 2.0.
Sounds like one of those Reddit stories. You can download the bot for free in the description down below, and if this video hits 300 likes before the end of the week, I will also do for Simple Algo. Ooh, and comment below which trading bot I should do next. Let's see what this bot can do. So day 1, I fire up the bot with a starting balance of $200. I'm watching the chart then, suddenly it places a trade. I nearly spill my rooibos. The bot's strategy: scalping Nasdaq like Gordon Ramsay scalps bad chefs. First trade, tiny profit. I'm not buying a Lambo yet, but hey, it's not a margin call. Day 2, the bot's still grinding. It's like watching paint dry, but with more existential dread. Day 3, I get a drawdown. My account balance drops again. I'm sweating harder than a politician at a tax audit. Day 4, the bot goes full Casper, ghosts the market, no trades. Day 5, it wakes up and snipes a lose. Day 6, the bot's on a hot streak, I'm up $199. Day 7, the market goes wild, bot making more L's than Liverpool this season. Final tally, $12 in, yeah. All what this EA did was leave me at a loss and ghosted my account. It's this EA did not live to its hype, and I wonder if the testimonials were just people paying to glaze the system anyway. If you enjoyed me blowing my money away with this useless equipment, I recommend watching this one, which was way better.